top news headlines. Jiribam, suitable region for growth of cotton, says Khadi Board. Crucial meet on Indo-Naga talks underway in Imphal. And Tripura Congress decides to skip Amit Shah's meeting on CAB. A very good afternoon. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving with the news in details. The cotton plantation at Bhutankhal village of Jiribam, under the supervision of the chairman of Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board, L. Radhakishore Singh, has turned out to be successful. The plantation began from June 2019 in a 15.50 acre of land in the area. Jiribam has become the most appropriate region for cotton farming, said Khadi and Village Industries Board. Speaking to our correspondent, Member Secretary of the Board, Nandaibam Jugindro, said that cotton, the most important fiber crop, can be cultivated in Jiribam effectively. Jugindro informed that the project has been taken up under the support of the chairman of Manipur Khadi and Industry Board, L. Radhakishore, without any funding from the state or central governments. Jugindro further said they are also planning to take up coffee plantation in Jiribam. He appreciated the staff of Agriculture Department for providing their technical knowledge and Director of Handloom for providing cotton seeds.
Hazana Hore, Aduga, Magi, Panham Tokpa, Lay, Hazana Pale, Pambi Amada, Equina Sorapna, Lay, Kunga Marima, Hova, Panda Tenera E, Sawong Sada, Hova Pambi, Aya Sina, Equina Marang Kaina Butankal, Ziribanda, Lasin Kari, Agni, Highway, Equina Kazabu.
A crucial public meeting is underway to deliberate on the Indo-Naga peace talks at the IMA Conference Hall, Lamphilpath, Imphal. The meet is organized by the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, COCOMI. The COCOMI is spearheading protests in Manipur opposing any attempts to disintegrate Manipur's integrity due to the Naga political settlement. COCOMI is an umbrella group of several civil bodies operating in the state. A delegation of the committee a few days ago met Union Home Minister Amit Shah in New Delhi at the latest invitation. It had demanded Amit Shah to give a written assurance on Manipur's integrity, which was refused by the Home Minister. The committee had earlier informed that it would place the details of the meeting with Amit Shah before the public meeting. Tripura Congress Vice President Piyush Biswas said they would not attend Union Home Minister Amit Shah's meeting on Citizenship Amendment Bill, a media report said today. Informing about the decision of the Tripura Congress yesterday, Biswas said they received the invitation from the Home Ministry for the meeting only on Thursday at 4 p.m. He said the Union Home Ministry has intentionally sent the letter at the last moment. The meeting will be held tomorrow and they sent the invitation letter just a day before the meeting. The Tripura Congress leader also said it is not possible for us to go to Delhi tomorrow to attend the meeting. He said Tripura Congress has condemned such kind of invitation. The Union Home Ministry has invited the Tripura Congress to attend a meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss the controversial Citizenship Amendment Bill before tabling it in the Parliament. The meeting will take place on November 29 in New Delhi. A one-day Mao market is being opened at Tawan Thaba Lekai under Porompat of Imphal East today. Traders from Mao in Senapati district come to capital Imphal to sell their produce on a temporary basis. The market is seen as something more than a trade activity, but as a means to promote people to contact. Several social organizations think it is a way of clearing the sense of distrust between people of different communities.
Singda Lariba, Chino Singoiba, Kamaitaro, Kariguma Karadi, Towning Bado, Sigi, Mao Impal Coordinating Committee, Quaita Madugi, information people of Golan and Aqua Angamba, Matang Habitaring Assistance, minus in Zavani and Nongai, of course Angamba Takta, a quick level, the Honori, some aside from the morning, first morning the Gina, a till Makoy Lloyd Republic, Angamba Takta, Association by Kedi Angam Tat Honagani.
Let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Young what?
Soktabana Ludi.
Wabdo Koknava Rebalance.
Soktabadu Koknava Rebalance. Rebalance Havadi, electrolytes Amadi Energy. Rebalance.
Miyam da sengdok chaba. Aihak lamjingba group ki marketing section da executive ama oina thabak tawjarambani. Aihak na isagi oizaba kharagi yengduna lamjingba group ki human resource department ta leiba mi saduna group asida thabak hapi gani haiduna miyoi amadagi senfam khara laurure. Masimak aihak ki khwaidagi chawba iralni amadi lamjingba group pu mingchat tahanbagi thawong ama haibadu oire. Asigumba thabak tawruba si group sigi oina aina hanbani. Matung tabadasu aina tawkhiba aranba si amuk hanna tawroi amadi group asida leiminari bapumna maksu tawge Biganu. Isagi Iral Yazari Haina Miyam Kangna Lamjingba Group Maru Oina Human Resource Department ki mafam da sengdokchari. Wafam asi kanagi su thawin sin yaudana isana sengdokchabani. Sengdokchariba Toizam Johnson Singh Kiam Gai Khoirom Laikai son of Toizam Ongbi Indira Devi.
Welcome back after the break. The Naga National Council, parent body, at a meeting yesterday resolved to stand for unity of the Naga nation in the best interest of Naga people. The organization also called all the Naga groups to sit across the table to work out the best possible unity in the interest of Naga national workers, as per a media report. The NCC adopted a 3-point resolution at its general meeting in Wokha. The meeting resolved to stand for political solution with Naga national unity in the interest of Naga people as one people and one homeland. Deliberating on the NCC's journey and struggle for the Naga political settlement, the meeting focused on Naga national unity as priority. When the struggle for India's independence moved towards its final stage, the Nagas, under the leadership of charismatic A.Z. Fizo, informed the Naga National Council. The National Investigation Agency, NIA, has filed charge sheet against two United Liberation Front of Assam, ULFA, militants under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act in a 2018 case. The ULFA militants are 26-year-old Bupul Moran alias Tiger Assam and 24-year-old Binanda Dahotia alias Swadesh. The NIA filed the charge sheet against the duo for their role in killing of 5 persons from the Bengali community in Tinsukia last November, a media report said. The charge sheet was filed before the NIA Special Court, Guwahati. The duo surrendered in May and was subsequently arrested by the Assam police. As many as 7 important projects are being implemented and 17 more are in the pipeline of Northeast Frontier Railway and FR, according to sources. The projects are aimed to increase operational efficiency and thereby improve services. These would help to run trains better and enhance capacity for more freight handling in the near future. The 7 ongoing projects have a total outlay of more than Rs 645 crores. The 17 planned projects would cost about Rs 123 crores. Under these 7 ongoing projects, Silgat Station in Middle Assam would be developed into a full-fledged terminal station with provisions for PIT line and AMP, SIC lines, for train maintenance, watering facilities, etc. At the same time, Senchua, Hyborgaon stations would be provided with good circulating area and approach road to make them ready for handling freight. A day after Shiv Sena chief Uddhav Thackeray took over the reins of Maharashtra as the first chief minister of the Thackeray family, the party mouthpiece Samana has said the coalition government will now act on the mistakes of the previous Devendra Fadnavis government. Sena has also said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi doesn't belong to one party and must fulfill its responsibilities towards Maharashtra. Old allies Shiv Sena and BJP fell out over a bitter power-sharing tussle in Maharashtra following the election results. While Shiv Sena demanded equal sharing of the chief minister's post, BJP refused to give in to the pressure and snapped ties, according to reports. Another short commercial break now. Stay tuned.
Smart Tutorial Center revision course for class 10 and 12 will start from 9 December and foundation course will start from 13 December. Run by well-trained and experienced board and council teachers. Concession for ex-smart students. Transport facilities and separate hostel for boys and girls available. For details, please contact Smart Tutorial Center, Singzamai Supermarket, Radhesham Shopping Complex. Contact number 8730 999 192.
Pakong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Okay. Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da adum changne na coaching tohanba.
Mama mapaga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam gi topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school.
Last ba khong. Kari school no.
Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme. Yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Welcome back. Uddhav Thackeray was sworn in as Maharashtra's new chief minister last evening at the Shivaji Park in Mumbai, where his father, Bal Thackeray, had addressed his first Dussehra rally to announce the birth of the Shiv Sena in 1966. 6 more ministers were sworn in by Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari as the Shiv Sena Nationalist Congress Party (NCP) Congress Alliance or Maha Vikas Aghadi formally took power. Soon after taking oath, Thackeray held the new cabinet's first meeting. The Sena chief invoked his parents in his oath and called himself Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray. The NCP's Jayant Patil saluted Sharad Pawar in his oath, and Congress leader Balasaheb Thorat referred to Sonia Gandhi. Former Japanese Prime Minister Yasuhiro Nakasone has died today at the age of 101. The office of his son, Hirofumi Nakasone, confirmed that Nakasone died at a Tokyo hospital where he was recently treated. As a World War II Navy officer, Yasuhiro Nakasone witnessed the depths of his country's utter defeat and devastation. During his career, Nakasone was socialized on the world stage with Ronald Reagan and battled with bureaucrats at home to enact sweeping reforms. But while Nakasone, who was the prime minister from 1982 to 1987, boosted Japan's global profile, he had failed to achieve his dream of revising the country's pacifist US-drafted constitution to clarify the ambiguous status of the military and bolster its international role. Now let's take a look at the sports news. Daichi Kamada scored twice in the second half as Eintracht Frankfurt came from a goal down and stunned Arsenal 2-1 in the Europa League yesterday. The loss at Emirates Stadium extended Arsenal's winless streak to 7 games across all competitions, its worst run since 1992, increasing the pressure on coach Unai Emery after a series of disappointing results. Eintracht cut Arsenal's lead atop Group F to a point, with Standard Liège 3 points back after drawing 1-1 with Vitoria. Newcomer Wolverhampton Wanderers and Braga both progressed with a game in hand after the two sides drew 3-3. Manchester United had already qualified and could afford to field a youthful team against Astana, which came from behind to win 2-1 after benefiting from an own goal in the second half. Wolves has 1-0 down in the 6th minute, then led 3-1 just 30 minutes later amid heavy rain, only to allow a comeback in the second half but stormed back still in the first half. Raul Jimenez, Matt Doherty and Adama Traore scored for Wolves before second half goals from Paulino and Franzergio salvaged a draw for the hosts. Now let's take a look at some of the local newspaper headlines.
The Sangay Express. Amit Shah calls meet on Citizenship Amendment Bill. No invite to CSOs of Manipur. Meghan returns home to rousing welcome. Bir Kenjujit Airport comes alive with well wishes. Northeast Students Organization warns against enacting Citizenship Amendment Bill. Congress too backed Citizenship Amendment Bill, says State BJP. Imphal Free Press. RK Meghan comes home after 44 years. Unity of Manipur can be strengthened by reposing faith in age-old ties. Exempt Citizenship Amendment Bill in Manipur or provide safeguard provision, urges MP Ranjan. The Morning Bell. After 44 years, UNLF chief RK Meghan returns home. People roll out red carpet. I believe mature leaders of India won't do anything to disintegrate Manipur, says Meghan. More than a celebration at Siro Lily Festival. MP Ranjan urges Centre to invest exemption clause for Manipur in Citizenship Amendment Bill. Property worth lakhs destroyed in fire. The People's Chronicle. Amit Shah convened Citizenship Amendment Bill meet today. Manpack unaware. Dr. Ranjan for exemption clause. Kokomi urges public to attend meet today. People's unity must to save Manipur, says Meghan. After free entry stops more visitors at Hapta Kangjebung. Foreigner stole operators want extension. Manipur Mail. Shiv Sena Chief Uddhav Thackeray takes oath as Chief Minister. Science, Mathematics, Environment Exhibition. UNLF Chief Meghan returns home.
Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Jiribam, most suitable region for growth of cotton, says Khadi Board. Crucial meet on Indo-Naga talks underway in Imphal. And Tripura Congress decides to skip Amit Shah's meeting on CAB. That's the end of the bulletin for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.